Right then, back again, another video on my bike. Now today's video is about the horn. Now originally I had this poxy little horn on, which doesn't give a lot of sound, just beep beep, hardly anyone can hear it, and I got fed up with these little horns, and I like to be heard in emergencies, like, you know. So in the past I've had 3 flipping Delany air horns, and for some reason at the end of each year they seem to malfunction. So they're a nice air horn, but they just don't last more than a year. Now I don't know if it's just me going through a bad batch of horns, but 3 in a row every year I've been replacing them, so I've had enough. So no more of that. Then I've decided, now I've already put them on, but I've taken them off to show you that what I've done. I've bought the best of the best, the little trumpet horns, and they are amazing, so loud, better than Delany. Trust me, beautiful horns. So here they are. Now they don't look much, but they are so awesome, trust me. So basically I had to make a bracket up. So yeah, we'll show you. This is the pump. Now I'll just quickly just show you. This will go in there, and that's that. Then I'll tighten that up. It's pretty straightforward. Connect 2 cables up here, and and then you put the relay in, and I'll show you how amazing sound this comes out. I know it's illegal because it's over the 130 decibel or 120 decibel, but I don't care, man. These are great, and I know they're going to last a long time. Right, so let me just put all this back together, and then I'll show you how it sounds. Right, so I've slid it into the little groove in there. The nut just locks in there. Tightened it out with the spanner with a 14mm. So now that is secured, we'll just connect this cable connection up. That's that. That one's the earth, and that's the feed. That's done. And now we'll just connect the pipe up. We'll connect the pipe up in there, and I'll show you the rest in a second. Right, so they're connected up. Look at that, brilliant, and they are outstanding. So everything's connected up, the cables are connected up. It's very straightforward, just making the bracket up to connect these 2 up. Job done. And finally the relay. So the relay goes down here. That's the relay, and we just connect it up to this thing. That's it. Job done. I'm going to put it all back, and just to show you how it sounds like. It is so loud, I don't want to upset the neighbours, but I'll do a quick little toot. Right, so yeah, one more toot and I'll give you another sound, what it sounds like. That is loud, amazingly loud, and I'll tell you, that will shit anyone up. Okay guys, thank you for watching.